Here we go. This is the thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 541, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis,
Yes.
Salt Lake, Tooele, Utah, and Weber. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 541 has been issued from 12:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Salt Lake, Tooele, Utah, and Weber. Mountain Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 541, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Salt Lake, Tooele, Utah, and Weber. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 541 has been issued from 12:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Salt Lake, Tooele, Utah, and Weber. mph wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Not even 5 minutes later.
Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nephi, Alberta, Mona, and Leamington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 218 and 220, in between mile markers 226 and 237. Bus Route 6 between mile markers 147 and 100. Room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Utah. Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Salt Lake, Tooele, Utah, and Weber.
I'm trying to leave class.
The Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Box Elder County in northern Utah until 1:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 12:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, or 34 miles west of Hill Air Force Base, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway, Great Salt Lake south of the causeway in Hat Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Keep on or near the Great Salt Lake. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Weber County in northern Utah, East Central Box Elder County in northern Utah, until 1:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hooper, Oregon, 8 miles west of Ogden, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ogden, Brigham City, North Ogden, Hooper, Cary, Willard, Marriott Slaterville, Mantua, South Willard, West Haven, Pleasant View, Far West, Harrisville, Plain City, West Warren, Wilson, Liberty, Warren, West Weber, and Slaterville. This includes Interstate 15 between mile markers 344 and 365. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder and Weber. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tualatin County in northern Utah until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Vernon, Oregon, 26 miles east of Dugway English Village, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ophir, Zoella Army Depot South, Rush Valley, Faust, and Lofgren. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Zoella, Utah. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 542, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Idaho: Bear Lake and Franklin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 542 has been issued from 12:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho: Bear Lake and Franklin. In northern Utah, Central Davis County in northern Utah, East Central Brown County in northern Utah until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, 8 miles west of West Valley City. north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and infected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Clayton, Hill Air Force Base, Clearfield, Gainesville, Syracuse, Clinton, South Beaver, Magna, West Point, Sunset, Antelope,
Whoa!
St. Park, and Lake Point. This includes the following highways.
It's for
Interstate
me.
18 between mile marker 329 and 337. Interstate 84 near mile marker 86. Interstate 80
It's
in
for me.
Utah between mile markers 98 and 113. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Box Elder County in northern Utah until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles northwest of Snowville, moving northwest at 65 miles per hour. National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for L-size hail.
Ping pong.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Snowville, Curlew Junction, and Locomotive Springs. This includes the following highways. Interstate 84 between mile markers 1 and 12. Utah Route 30 between mile markers 66 and 90. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Box Elder County in northern Utah until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles southwest of Snowville, moving northwest at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Snowville, Curlew Junction, and Locomotive Springs. This includes the following highways. Interstate 84 between mile markers 1 and 12. Utah Route 30 between mile markers 66 and 90. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for the Jacob City Burn Scar in eastern Tualatin County in northern Utah until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Jacob City Burn Scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in flash flooding and debris flows which will cross the county road in Soldier Canyon, then move into a downstream Soldier Creek. Flows are then expected to move downstream in Soldier Creek to SR 36 near MM47 and adjacent UPR rail line. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Soldier Canyon and Stockton. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry washes is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Tooele, Utah. Flows are then expected to move downstream in Soldier Creek to SR 36 near
KRSP.
37 and adjacent to PR rail line. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Soldier Canyon and Stockton. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry washes is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Tooele, Utah. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has extended the flash flood warning for the Jacob City burn scar in eastern Tooele County in northern Utah until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported a flash flood wave breaching Senior 36 just south of Stockton and mud flows breaching the main channel of Soldier Creek within Soldier Canyon. SR 36 is now closed in both directions. Between 0.25 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen over the burn scar from earlier thunderstorms, and additional thunderstorms are moving over the burn scar at this time. Flash flooding is already occurring. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Soldier Creek. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Soldier Canyon and SR 36 just south of the town of Stockton. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry washes is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings